menu builder bot. For those who haven't watched the previous videos, we strongly recommend to start over and watch. The link will be in the description. To find the menu builder in Telegram, you can use global search. To do this, in the right upper corner, press corresponding icon and type menu builder bot. And we are starting. This is the second video of 3 that are devoted to the main controls of the menu builder constructor. It will consist of 2 parts. In the previous video, we were talking about the buttons editor and its main functionality. For those of you who haven't watched the previous videos, I would highly recommend to go and watch it, because this video is a continuation and will be fully devoted to creating and managing messages using the post editor. Let's start from going to our bot and clicking start. There are 3 buttons already in the menu. Those are 3 buttons we have created in our previous video. We're gonna go ahead and continue to work with them. Let's add our first message to the button number 1. For that, go to the post editor, click the add message button. Enter your message using keyboard and send it to the bot. As you can see, our message has already been created. Let's leave the editor and look at the result. Press the button and it will show us the added message. The second kind of message is a picture with the text. Creating of such message is similar to creating a normal one. But first we have to select a picture from our gallery, add some text to it, and only then send it to the bot. As you can see now, the second message has a picture with the text underneath. Besides the regular messages and the messages with pictures, text can be formatted using the so-called markdown. Markdown highlights in selected parts of the text in bold, italic, or a code style. In addition to format, you can add links and hide those links under the custom text. The formatting of messages for sending to the bot is done according to the same rules as in Telegram itself. There are 2 ways of formatting text, and we will show you both of them. The first way is to mark up the text with the symbols. Let's add a new message and decorate its text with the different fonts. In order to make the text bold, you need to surround it with a double asterisk. For an italic font, text shall be surrounded with a double underscores. For creating a copied text, so-called code, you need to use one of the reverse apostrophe on each side of the text. It is impossible in Telegram to create a hidden links with the help of symbols markup. Therefore, we will show you the creation of hidden links in another way of formatting. For now, let's send our message to the bot and see the result. As you can see, the text of the message formatted in a different way. The second way is to mark up the text with the help of the client itself. The client is the application that you use to access the Telegram. Besides the original Telegram client, there are multiple alternative versions. Depending on which system, phone model or client you use, this method may look different for you. The only common to all systems is that after entering the formatted text, first you need to select it. In my system, after the text has been selected, you need to press 3 dots in the upper right corner. By pressing them, we get in a pop-up window where you can choose the type of formatting. In your case, it may turn out that there is no need to press 3 dots, and the pop-up window will appear right after the text is selected. We have already showed you how to format the text, so let's add the hidden link as an example. To do this, select the text, press 3 dots in the upper right corner, press create link, enter the address of the link, and click save. As you can see, the link is hidden under the text. Now you can send a message to the bot and exit the editor. In addition to creating new messages in the bot, it is possible to change the old ones. In order to change the message, go to the post editor and on the inline keyboard, press the change button. The bot sends us an old message and adds the formats and symbols in the places where they were in the original message. This message can be copied, edited, and sent it back to the bot again. If you change your mind, you can press cancel. We must say that in the most cases, such editing goes normal and the text you send to Telegram displayed correctly. However, there are cases when some failures occur on the Telegram server side during interacting with the bots. In those cases, some edited messages are displayed with the broken formatting. Anyway, creating message inside the bot is not the only way, and the bot can receive messages from another places. Therefore, they can be created anywhere in the Telegram. Our recommendation is to create your message in a separate channel, and only after making sure that everything is correctly edited and there is no errors, you can send a ready-made message to the bot. This will help you to avoid mistakes and eliminate the need to send the same message several times due to minor errors you may have missed. Let's try to add new message by sending it to the bot from another channel. To do this, go to the post editor and click Add Message. Please note that the forwarding option is disabled. In this case, message will be added on your behalf. To get the message, we will go to the Menu Builder News channel. Leave the bot waiting for the message and exit the bot. In the upper right corner, press the search icon and use the global search to find the channel Menu Builder News. On this channel, we publish everything that happens with the constructor. The latest news, changes and updates, the whole history of the bot is there. Select one of the messages and send it to the bot. The bot will automatically add it as yours. Let's add one more message, only at this time we will save the link to the channel. Prior to this, we switch the forward option to the send as forward position. We perform the same operations. Select the same message and send it to the bot. The bot will mark the forwarded message in the header. Let's leave the editor to see messages in our button, and the last one has a link to the source. The last thing left for us to describe in this part is how to delete the messages. This is done very simply. Switch to the post editor mode, go to your button, and press delete button in the inline menu of the message that you want to delete. Confirm the deletion and see that message has disappeared. This concludes the first part on how to manage the messages in the bot. In the next part, we will look at what is the links preview, how to move messages, and how to add them in the particular place you like. Watch the following videos. The address of Menu Builder constructor in Telegram is already on your screen. If you like to know about updates on the channel, press subscribe. If you like to be informed about every new video, press notification.